if your Redmi Watch 6 does not vibrate, in order to fix this, first of all, we're gonna open the settings. So let's go to the apps list by pressing the crown. And over here, we're gonna scroll down and go to settings. Now over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And the first thing that you can do is scroll all the way down and you can enable vibration reminders. There is also the vibration intensity, which you can adjust to make it stronger. Of course, this affects battery life, so the smartwatch might use more battery to have stronger vibration, but of course you can manage that quite easily. Besides that, if still you cannot feel vibration at all with your Redmi Watch 6, then we're gonna scroll up, and in here we have two options. We have the silent mode, and as you can see, calls and vibrations are silenced when the silent mode is active, so you want to make sure that the silent mode is off. And also we have the not disturb mode, which can also turn off vibration, so you want to make sure that DND mode is not activated. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.